In October of 2021, we did a engagement and culture of safety survey with our partners at Press Ganey. We do this survey every 2 years. And when we got the feedback from our employees, we made a commitment that if they took the time to do the survey, that we would review their feedback and we would look at how we could advance the employee experience here at CHA based on what they told us.
If you're an environmental services worker or a food service, you're not like on email all the time. You have an email address. And so we found that we were getting very low response rates from those departments. And so part of it was access to a computer, and the other part was language, when English is a second language.
For employees that speak other languages and who may not have access to a computer as part of their job, we have provided language and computer access support sessions when we roll out a survey. So we'll have translators come in all our main languages. And though all of our employees speak English as part of their language, taking a survey, there are nuances to the way the questions are phrased. So we wanted to make sure that they had access and support in taking the survey. So in partnership with our interpreter services, we provide them with that when we roll out the survey. We had, I think, 4 to 6 sessions when we did our most recent Pulse survey. And the employees really seem to appreciate the fact that we are acknowledging them and giving them this opportunity.
Plus, we give them cookies.
And we give them cookies. Or popcorn, depending on what is available at the moment.
If you don't use quantitative data, you're just going, well, I think they might like this, and I think they might like that, and that might make a difference. And of course, you never know if you've made a difference.
One of the key items that we decided to focus on was the idea of CHA treats employees with respect. And employees and providers with respect. And so we reviewed the data. We looked at the quantitative and qualitative data, so the numbers and the comments that we got. We found that in the areas where we do this right, where employees feel respected here at CHA, that the qualities of leadership that really made them feel that way were being listened to, being heard, and responded to. And so we put a program together, a campaign, to really help advance that experience. And so some of the things that we're doing that around that are trying to advance. Our leaders already have great skills, but we wanted to give them more skills for their toolkit. So we put together a bunch of what we called leadership development sessions, really focusing on the key skills of listening, closed loop communication, were kind of the key focuses, but there have been several different topics. Psychological safety is one, unconscious bias is coming up, effective communication, active listening, appreciative inquiry are all the topics that we wanted to help our leadership advance in.
One of the things that we now have is an engagement and culture of safety oversight committee that includes people at very high levels of the organization, because sometimes that stuff gets put in HR's lap or quality's lap. And then it's like, hey, you're responsible for everybody in the organization. But this includes our Chief Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Officer, our Chief Nursing Officer, our Chief Medical Officer, our CQO, as well as people from Quality and Safety, HR, and OD. So I feel that more holistic ownership and oversight is a way we can try to move the needle on all of this.
Advancing the employee experience takes all of us. And I am just my heart has been so warmed as we've been rolling out these programs and seeing the way our leadership has really leaned in at all levels to really engage in this process has been just amazing.